Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to schedule message on Telegram. Friends, scheduling a message is a very useful feature in Telegram. So first open chat window of the person you want to schedule message for. Now here type a message. I have typed a birthday message. After typing your message, long press on the send button. Now here you will find option of schedule message. Now suppose I want to schedule this message for tomorrow 3rd July at 12 pm. So friends, now my message is scheduled for 3rd July 11:59 pm. Now press on send. Now friends, my message is scheduled for 3rd July 11:59 pm. So friends, like this you can very easily schedule your message on Telegram. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.